This chain talking about heat. Put it on. Screw. Run out. Screw. Screws.
Oh, okay, sir.
Run out. Screw to a penthouse. Straight out the street to a penthouse. Miami Beach. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Hit the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Tell us where your fit is from. I'm wearing a dress from the Fix, and I'm wearing sneakers from Converse. Oh, the earrings are from Lovisa. Very, very nice. I'm wearing a top from Cotton On, tights from Factory, pants from Cotton On, and is that campaign?
I'ma tell you this one time, what I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa,
So we've seen the tree canopy bridge thing that everybody posts on Instagram, and now we're walking through the woods, but we made our way out, you know, before any snakes and things got us. Which song? We are in the woods, we are in the woods. Yes, I do. But yeah, basically we're just going to find like a little picnic spot to sit and Okay, we're going home now. Please update your vlog and tell them we're going home now. Like, I don't understand this steps. The chat. Like the auntie, you know the rich auntie that she dressed nice and then she didn't want to wear a jacket. She didn't want to wear a jacket, so she brought a blanket and then she just took.
Because I'm rich like that.
Yes. Like, imagine this whole time I wasn't taking a video. I'm so disappointed in myself. These trees are so pretty. It's giving Japanese what?
Yes. How old do you think this tree is?
65 years old.
These are like extra trees and they're so tiny.
Wow, but it's so cute. So cute.
Have fun, jam Uber.
Yeah, we're stranded. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But luckily it's still like light outside, so. But at the same time, we wanna go.
For clout, they do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
So basically I'm home. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to your girl's channel. Do the most, show some love, show some support, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Sending love, good energy and good vibes your way.